Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about verifying your PayPal account, which is an essential step for anyone who wants to use PayPal for online transaction. So before we go further, we need to understand what is PayPal, right? So PayPal is an online payment system that allows people to send and receive money electronically. So it is founded in 1998 by the way, and PayPal quickly gained popularity and became a major player in the e-commerce industry. So over the years, PayPal has expanded its service and now offers a variety of payment options including credit and debit card payments, bank transfers, and even payments via mobile devices. It's used by millions of people worldwide for everything, like from online shopping to sending money to friends and family. If you're new to PayPal or you just not sure how to get your verification your account, then you're in the right place. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step so you can get your account verified. Obviously, it would be quickly and easily. So let's get started. So first of all, obviously we are going to search PayPal, and if I search paypal.com, you will end up over here. Simply just click on sign up, and it will ask you like personal or business or whatever you are going for. So I'm going with this tutorial. Obviously this is tutorial or as an example, so I'm going with the personal. Go with the personal, select your country, any country. I'm just going with the random one. Get started, and we have our uh, code for obviously for the country and even number over here if you want to mention. So you can just easily enter that and next, and it will provide you obviously the code which you need to enter, and then you will successfully log in and you have created your PayPal account. After that, you will end up over here, and as you can see, we have our we are at our dashboard of PayPal, and on the top we have our home, activity, pay and get paid, marketing for growth and business tools, and under that we have balance, currencies, and that's it. So when we talk about verifying PayPal, we talk about verifying bank account and obviously credit card. PayPal on verification is simply the number we have provided in the starting and the code we get. So that's the PayPal verification. But in PayPal, whatever we are working for, like obviously we are making PayPal for a reason, right? Bank account verification and credit card and debit card verification is very necessary. So once you are in, you will end up over here, and the next thing you need to do, you need to click on wallet. So how you can find that? On the top we have three options, as you can see, home, activity, pay and get paid. Once you go in pay and get paid, you will end up over here, and the first thing you can see, the first column you will see wallet. Under wallet you have balance. So obviously click on that and you will end up over here. Obviously if you don't see anything related to this and you're not seeing something like this, your account must not be as obviously it's personal. And if you're not seeing something like this, just go with the business, and obviously you can just change that later on. I have selected for this tutorial for a personal, but you need to change your account type. So to change account type, you need to go on the top right corner and you will see something like this, and you need to click on profile settings. Once you click on profile settings, it will take you to the settings of obviously your PayPal profile settings, and you need to scroll down right away. And once you scroll down at the bottom, you will see that we are at like account type is business, and you can just change that from over here if you want, or if you don't want to change that, obviously if you have accidentally click on business, you can just click on close account or just change account from over here. And once you do that, you can see the dashboard which I am seeing right now. After that, go to the top again, home, activity and get paid. Hover over it and click on bank and cards, because I have told you verifying cards and bank is very important. But there is one more twist. If you click on this, you will end up over here, and you can see we have two options over here, bank accounts and cards, and at the bottom we have cards. And if I click on bank, so what happens that in PayPal, if I click on banks, they won't ask you verification. They just need a details and that's it. This is all you need to know about banks. You don't need to anything like verify for the banks, but for credit cards you need to do that. So if I click on bank account, you can see over here they are not asking me any verification related to my bank account. So that's it. You just need to enter your details for your bank, and bank is good. But in credit card it's not the same deal. If I go in credit card, as you can see over here, I have hide that my info. You will see, like, you can just easily see all those details over here, like whatever related to your, obviously, your bank account or credit card details. So as you can see over here, this is how it looks like: debit card and credit card, as card type, expiration date, everything you need to do. You need to just enter those information. After that, you will see this. So this is where you will stop, and it will ask you like, want to use your PayPal account with no spending or withdrawal limits? Confirm your card. Confirm your card means verify your cards. So how you can do that, just click on confirm your card. It will take you over here, and here you will understand like what is going to happen. So look for a small charge on your card. What happens, they will charge you, PayPal will charge you for like $20 or $20, and after 4 or 6 business days after you confirm that, like they will send you some code, and you need to confirm your uh, PayPal account with that code. How you can do that, once they deduct money from your account, you will get something message like this. As you can see, sample card statement, and on the starting we can see that PayPal, and then code, 4-letter code, and then the amount deduct. So once you get this message after 4 or 6 days, or copy this code and come over here and click on get a code. Click on this and you can just paste that, and after pasting your that code, those $20 will be refunded in your account after 24 hours or within 24 hours. So that doesn't mean they are just taking that uh, money for like all the process, and after the process is done, then they can just provide you later on. Once you done that, your PayPal will be verified, and that's it. This is all you need to know, how you can do that, how you can verify. So remember that bank account don't need a verification, credit card need a verification, and even PayPal don't need a verification. Only the process, the thing PayPal is providing, that thing need a verification. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips on how to navigate the world, to the online payments, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, take care.